Welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you a list of superfoods that can be followed by those who are suffering from chronic kidney disease. I am not talking about how to prevent kidney disease. I am talking about if someone is already suffering from kidney damage. If you are a hunter, what should you eat? What should you not eat? Then today I will talk about it. Kidney structure. If I can explain to you a little, then there are amazing small filters installed in the kidney which not only filter the blood but also filter the blood. They clean the water, but along with this, they are controlling many other things. Their real work is... So, there is only filtration, but they are also recycling the hormones, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and electrolytes. Recycling means making them reusable. But when these filters get damaged, then you have to shift your eating pattern a little. You cannot eat the same things that you were eating before. You cannot eat them in the same quantity as you were eating before because the body is no longer able to expel phosphorus, proteins, sodium, or other toxic substances and cannot even recycle them. Now, I am not able to even use them. The things you were eating earlier will have to be changed, and my advice is that, first of all, you should stop eating outside completely. If a family dinner is coming, there is a feast. If you want to eat outside somewhere, then prepare your own food and take it from home. There is nothing strange. Prepare your own food and make whole foods. Do not add any artificial flavors or synthetic things. Do not add any refined things. And one more important thing, the number one reason for kidney damage is diabetes. If the blood sugar level is high, then you should completely avoid sugar. Cut off those things like ultra-refined flour, processed foods, canned foods, fast food and, when we talk about processed, refined, and fast food, it also includes seed oils, corn oil, soy oil, cottonseed oil, and canola oil. You have to avoid these. You have to remember that whatever you eat it thoughtfully because whatever you eat, things I am going to tell you, if you focus only on these and this is a big list of foods, then you will be able to live a healthy life. So I will start with protein, which type of protein you have to eat, what should complete your protein intake, what to do and how much to eat because not to eat too much protein, lower to moderate amount of protein. And you have to be a little careful about the protein source because most of the protein sources also contain a high amount of phosphorus which will overload the kidneys. And I will add one more thing here. When you make this diet plan for yourself, also tell your doctor. Get them on board so that monitoring of things continues and everything remains in check. So, fish is at number 1. Now, the issue with fish is that many of its varieties contain a high amount of mercury and mercury alone can be the cause of autoimmune disease. And most of the mercury poisoning happens from fish, but then in fish. There is also selenium, which is needed for the thyroid. It is an excellent antioxidant. In some varieties, if we talk about local fish, like surmai or kingfish, rahu has both selenium and phosphorus, so do not eat them too much. You can eat the fish occasionally. You can eat low phosphorus in them, cobia fish, pumice fish, or tilapia fish. Phosphorus is present in these, but it is less. The way to reduce the phosphorus content in fish is, first of all, portion control. Do not eat too much. Then if you boil it lightly before cooking and throw away the water. First of all, if you soak it in water for some time, then the phosphorus content in it also reduces. Then after that, phosphorus is also there in organ meats, liver, kidneys, brain. Egg yolk is also high in phosphorus, so you will avoid them. Among nuts, almonds. Do not eat cashew nuts, walnuts, and peanuts because this phosphorus prevents the absorption of other minerals needed by the kidneys, such as zinc. Food items that contain high oxalates are plant chemicals which are high in oxalates. Binder crystals form with calcium. These crystals then later become kidney stones, so if there is kidney damage then avoid these foods. Almonds, spinach, sweet potato or potato, dark black chocolate, tea leaves, the tea which is used in our homes, green tea, you can drink it. Conventional tea leaves, which are made in black homes, contain tannins. These are the chemicals which can cause swelling in the kidney tissues and can cause major damage to the kidneys. There is another variety of protein, which is called lactase. About lactase, I think if the gut is right, there is no intestinal damage. If the liver is working properly, then you can eat them. But in case of kidney damage, you have to eat those things which do not have much lactase content. They are lower in lactase. It is basically plant protein. It is found in some vegetables, but these? Another issue with vegetables is that they also contain oxalates, potassium, and magnesium, and both of these protect the kidneys. They are good for the kidneys, So you can eat vegetables, but eat less. Now let me tell you those vegetables which are safe. Number 1. Cabbage is responsible for uric acid waste and kidney disease. If ammonia waste starts increasing in the body, then cabbage can help. The best way to reduce this load is again plain cabbage or cauliflower. It also has less amount of oxalates and phosphorus. It has an adequate amount of potassium, and it also reduces the uric acid load, and it would be very good if you eat a small. Make a kitchen garden at home and grow these vegetables yourself. Then there are cucumber, turnip, onion, capsicum, bitter gourd, garlic. These low phosphorus vegetables do another thing, that they create an alkaline environment in the body. If the acidity is increasing too much, then it neutralizes it. Now those vegetables which are high in lectin. Those which you have to avoid include brinjal, potato, sweet potato or grains, wheat and things made from wheat, and nuts which were mentioned earlier, almonds, walnuts, cashews, peanuts. So, this is the list of food items which if you follow, it will help you in getting many benefits. Antioxidants will also be available, which will prevent the free radical damage. The toxic substances which are accumulating in the body are getting damaged. This will reduce the damage. Another great food is morina. It also contains many vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, and other things which reduce kidney burden. Morina detoxifies urine. Along with this, it helps in renal anemia, which is a major side effect of damaged kidneys. Balances fluid retention. Then another great choice is fermented foods. Sauerkraut, kimchi, garlic pickle, pickled beetroot with vinegar. Pumpkin seeds and extra virgin olive oil are good in moderation. It is very good for the kidneys. It is anti-inflammatory. It is loaded with phytonutrients. It is a very good source of vitamin E and has zero phosphorus compared to other seed oils. You can eat cottage cheese in dairy. Cream cheese calcium. For intake, but avoid milk and curd. Cottage cheese and cream cheese are good for kidneys in moderation. You get good nutrition, and try to get all the nutrition from food only. Do not take supplements except vitamin D, because it is difficult to get vitamin D from food. And this is very important for the kidneys, because it is the kidneys that convert these inactive vitamin D into the active form of vitamin D. This is done a little in the liver, but the kidneys are more important. So if the kidneys get damaged, then the vitamin in the body D level also becomes low. Sodium. Take care of the intake also. Do not eat too much salt. So I think this list is very simple and very easy to follow. It is a bit boring. Maybe you will not be able to enjoy it, but with this you will definitely be able to increase your lifespan and quality of life a little. You will be able to improve. Take care of yourself. That's all for this video. Meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.